Why does FirstMate use animal meals as the main ingredient in their dry kibble formulas? Meals are a great choice to keep your pets healthy as they provide a highly concentrated source of animal protein. Unprocessed meat is mostly water, with only about 20% protein. Once this water is removed to produce a meat meal, you are left with a product that has up to 70% protein. By using high inclusions of the higher protein animal meals, FirstMate and Pet Foods have high concentrations of the animal proteins required by cats and dogs. When we use the term protein, we are referring to the individual amino acids that are the building blocks of protein. It is the amino acids that are required at varying levels by cats and dogs. A high-quality protein source provides a suitable profile of amino acids that are available for digestion. The front of our FirstMate packaging highlights how our protein inclusion is derived. Specifically, we indicate the percentage of protein from animals. FirstMate diets range between 70% to 95% of the protein being derived from the animal ingredient, ensuring that your FirstMate is always receiving a high percentage of animal protein. This is important for certain amino acids such as cysteine, methionine, and taurine that are present at much higher levels in animal-based sources of protein. These amino acids are required by both cats and dogs to prevent diet-associated dilated cardiomyopathy, or DCM, a form of heart disease. The animal meals we use are not processed using high-temperature flame drying. Instead, FirstMate and Cassic's animal meals are produced using a much gentler steam drying process. Using lower processing temperatures helps to ensure that the quality of the protein remains intact and continues to be an easily digestible source of nutrition. Growth of bacteria thrives in moist environments. Animal meals have less than 10% moisture and are therefore less susceptible to contamination with disease-causing bacteria, such as salmonella, that could be harmful to pets and pet parents. Animal meals offer a protein source that is stable and safe to handle and store, ensuring the best quality kibble for your pet. In addition to excellent sources of protein, animal meals provide a natural source of highly available phosphorus and calcium for healthy bones and teeth. Phosphorus in particular is a limited and non-renewable resource worldwide that is required for agriculture. Feeding pets sources of food that do not require the addition of phosphorus helps to conserve this mineral and release it back into the environment. This is just one example of how animal meals are not only a healthy, but also a sustainable protein option. FirstMate Pet Foods. The best nutrition is simple.